Welcome back YouTube to Ibs to Sydney land-based / boat fishing adventures. Today is a land-based fishing trip where we'll be working lures in our local river system in hopes for maloway and EP. So stay tuned for the adventure, this one's going to be a banger.
Let's go! Let's go! Yes, baby!
Alright, here we go. I'm going to head down to the spot, fishing the local today. I've got the clone prawn on. We're going to see what we can get. Chase some EPs, perch, possibly maloway. We're with the brothers. Trying not to get run over. Yeah, been pretty busy, so haven't been able to make a video lately, but we'll try to get a quick little video for you guys today. Let's go, Adam. What do you reckon?
I think we're going to get a Jew.
As big as you?
Nah, not as big as us. We're going to get some Jews, hopefully. Perch. Maybe some brim.
Nah. What brim?
Maybe some chihuahua fish, I don't know.
Musa! What do you do? Let's go. We're pitch black, try not to get eaten. But here we go. Alright, flash back when we're ready to fish and hopefully we can produce something. Let's go. Just rolling up my eye. Cars, we're gonna catch, we just gotta keep casting. Yeah, they're all busting, cars, the bait fish. Something's under them. Look, 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 look. You'll feel them smack it and you just strike. But when you come too close, you gotta wind in straight away. Yep, we're on. That's a Jewy. Oh, gonna take me to the snag. Please don't bust me. Mads, don't, be careful. He's gonna take me into the snag. He's a solid fish. Watch out, watch out. Hopefully he doesn't dust me. He's solid. Oh! Wow! Wow! Yes, baby, look at that. Look at that fish right there on the clone prawn. So close to dusting me as well. Wow. Have a look at him. He's got to be around 75 centimeters. He's a healthy fish. Let's get him in, get a few shots, and then we'll get him up for the release. Wow. 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 Oh. We're running only 15 pound as well. He's a beautiful fish. Let's get him in. Hopefully we can land him well. I'm gonna have to go in, so slippery. It's gonna be hard getting him in. Oh. Hold the rod, mate, but if it runs, just let him run. Oh my God. There we go. Wow. That's a beautiful maloway on that clone prawn, straight in the jaw. Oh my God. Look, that's definitely legal. We won't get a measure on him, but we'll get a couple photos, definitely. Here we go, guys. Look, it's too much of a hassle to measure him. I'd say he's going a solid 75. We'll get that clone prawn right out, just so he swims off healthy. There it is. And we're gonna get him off for the release. Bismillah. Oh my God. Oh, he's kicking straight away and off he goes. There he is. Wow. Let's go. That was the third cast. See if we can get some more. But let's get back out there. That was a beautiful maloway. Let's see if we can get anything else. There's a lot of bait working. You'll see it in the background. And I don't want to get too much light out there because it does spook them. So that's why it is a bit dark. Flick, flick, flick. Just working it like a prawn. Now the bait that's flicking around on the surface, they're all prawns. Baby ones. And nothing better to match it than a clone prawn.
I only got it because the guy told me that.
Oh, you had chasers.
Yeah.
Taylor. Oh, yeah, Taylor. There's Taylor smacking the lure. Hopefully he's not munched it. Now nothing for about 40 minutes since I got that dew in the first couple casts. So hopefully we can get one more, at least one of us, to complete the video. I don't want it to be too short of a video. Even some EPs will be good. They're really fun, but it doesn't look like they're around. We'll keep casting. No, snagged. There goes the lure. We've already lost about 3. Yeah, that's in there badly. Getting that out. Re-rig time, it is. Hopefully I still got my leader at least. Oh, beautiful. We don't have to tie leader, we still got it, but we'll chuck on, maybe we'll switch up the lure. See what happens. Yes, we'll actually go with the pink clone prawn in the smaller size. Pink is deadly in the rivers, and yeah, my lure bag is a mess because I don't really lure fish. I'm more of a bait fisherman, but as you can see I could do both, and that'll have to do. The 3/8 2.0 bait junkie jig head. Let's see how we go with that. Bang. And these are so easy to hook on. Just measure it up. I know my shank's going to come out on the line. First bar right there from the head. I'm going to get it in, make sure it's nice and straight. Nice and straight. Bring it out. And there we go. Now all their tentacles, you don't want to get them stuck. So I slowly bring them up. Tentacles or legs, whatever you want to call them. And that's it. That's perfect. We'll get that on. One, two, three, 4, and 5. Make sure you pull it tight. That's it. Snip that off real quick and then we're ready to get back in there. Hopefully this lure change does some damage. Close this messy bag back up. Alright, let's go. First cast with the pink clone prawn. See how it does. Set that drag back up. Bit of a change of location. I only like it when the current's running towards the bridge, so I'm gonna go for a little bit of a walk. I've got the Dewey and I'm hoping for some perch because they really are fun. Bro, so muddy. Look at, I don't know if you can see my shoes. They're completely ruined. They're gonna have to get gurneyed when I get home. Gets a bit better here. Now hopefully we can get another fish for you guys. I don't want it to just be one fish, you know. So let's go. That mud off a bit. Let's try our luck. Now sorry for the darkness, I don't want to spook any fish. Just cast straight under the bridge. Straight under it. So if I do hook on, I will then turn on the light. Now after numerous casts there was absolutely nothing, so it was time to call it a night. However, stick around for a laugh on the way back to the car. Oh, what a mission, bro, watch out. Up here, ads. Where are you going? Up here. Yo, fuck!
Hello, let's go.
Oh,
We
fuck,
never
this
catch
is-
anything cast.
This is mayhem.
Sleep it.
Bring it back to the boys, see what they think.
What happened, Mr. Drifter?
He got a stick!
It was a big Dewey. It was a meter 67.
Alrighty guys, that's gonna do it for today. Just the one fish, unfortunately. I am happy with it. I stuck it out a bit longer, tried to get more, but it didn't work out. That's fishing. Until next time, I'll have a full episode ready for you guys. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.